Cymraeg yw iaith y gymuned fan hyn. Mae o leia hanner cwsmeriaid, 60% o cwsmeriaid yn Gymraeg. Ni'n trial popeth i hybu'r Gymraeg yma. Mae popeth yn dwyieithog ar y pacyn yma. Mae popeth ar y bac yn dwyieithog. Ni yn gwerthu hwn y gros y border fyd, ond ni'n gwneud siŵr bod popeth yn dwyieithog. Achos ni'n browd iawn o fod yn Gymraeg. A rhywbeth sy'n gwahaniaethu ni rent pobl eraill hefyd.
I like to think of the Welsh being spoken. I mean, I'm Welsh born and bred. I may not be able to converse in Welsh, but I got an idea.
Very occasionally, and it is a rare incidence, I must say, somebody will come to the stall and ask me if I speak Welsh, and I say no. And they will then turn away and just not do any business with me because I don't speak their language.
Especially touristiaeth, maen licio chi gweud trwy'n mai a cwbl o geiriau yn Gymraeg, gweud diolch i nhw, maen nhw gwerthfawrogi na.
A lot of people that come in here, they want to speak Welsh. So anybody that works in here that I take on, first thing I say is, do you speak Welsh? Because I think it's quite important.
Do you feel you're missing out not speaking Welsh?
Definitely. Yeah, definitely. It's just... yes, understanding what people are saying. I think it's really important actually.
A lot of my customers are Welsh and they look for something Welsh, and a lot of tourists like to buy something Welsh to take back to whatever country they come from. So it is important.
Say if you went to Ireland, you wouldn't expect them to address you in Gaelic or anything like that, would you? Because we're still in the same country as such, as the United Kingdom. They expect you to speak English.
Mae lot o bobl hynna, maen nhw'n siarad Cymraeg a maen nhw'n licio siarad Cymraeg, ti'n gwybod?
So, ydych chi'n meddwl bod hwnna'n fatha'r eitha pwysig iddyn nhw?
Oh my gosh, mae'n bwysig, mae'n.
Fysa na rei bobl yn dweud bod reid arwyddion yn y Gymraeg a'r Saesneg yn wast o bres?
Na, so fe, so fe'n os. Mae eisiau cael y Cymraeg a'r Saesneg, ti'n gwybod?
Pam da chi'n meddwl hynny ta?
Mae'n bwysig, achos ni'n Gymru. Mae'n bwysig cadw'r Cymraeg.
It's much more than just being able to speak the language. It's about the heritage. So if you look on the front, my logo is... So I'm named after the cheese riots in Carmarthen, but my logo says heritage, history, legacy and future. So it's the history of the cheese riots, giving a nod to that. It's the legacy of Caws Tyfi and taking that forward into the future of Caerfyrddin.
Does it confuse people?
I wouldn't think so, because, you know, if you go to France or anywhere, you expect them to speak their language, and it's the same if you come to Wales.
When the store was first set up, the council paid for the signs, and because it's their policy, it had to be in both English and Welsh.
So, you know, does it make a difference when the customer comes here to whether you have bilingual signs or not?
I would say no, not at all, no.
Ar y website hunan, popeth yn Saesneg ar y website, ond wrth wneud pethach ar Facebook, Instagram, pethach la, fi'n trial wneud pethach mor dwyieithog a fi'n gallu. Mae ambell i post yn mynd 100% Saesneg, ambell i post yn mynd 100% Cymraeg, a mae pobl yn cwyno'r ddoi ffordd.